Alright guys, new product alert. Let's get into it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Trayleen Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. And be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, your favorite curl cousin is reporting in with another review and demo of some products that I just recently received. It is the curlsmith moisture recipe products, and I'm so excited to try them out. I'm going to be using the 3 products from their line. It is wash day for me, so I'm going to do a complete wash day in style with the products that I have. I'll be starting out with the curl quenching conditioning wash, and then using the moisture memory reactivator, and following it up with the curl defining styling souffle as my styler on my tight forehead. Alright, so my hair has been detangled. Like I said, it's wash day, so I've already detangled my hair, and I'm just going to jump right in and start washing my hair. So I'm starting out with the curl quenching conditioning wash using a generous amount of this product. The consistency was not runny, but it was not thick. It was a great cross for in between, but I did love the consistency. When I added it to my hair, I immediately noticed how it melted into my strands and how it made my hair easily to detangle. This conditioning wash is actually a foamless co-wash, so I used a generous amount in my hair because I just wanted to make sure that my hair was definitely clean and rid of the product that I had already on my hair. By the way guys, my curl cousins over on Instagram asked me to do a full review of these products, so I'm here giving you the deets. If you are not following me on Instagram, be sure to go over there, click like and share and all that good stuff. So I'm working that product directly on my scalp, and I'm going in with a scalp massager from the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit. I'll be sure to leave the details about the curl kit down in the description below. And I'm using it to work that product into my scalp, making sure that my scalp is clean and letting that product run down the strands of my hair. What I did notice is that my hair felt very clean, soft, and detangled, which I liked. So I'm just going to repeat that process on the remaining parts of my hair. I'm going in and saturating and misting my hair with some water. I'm using the mist bottle from the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit, and I'm then going to follow up with the Moisture Memory Reactivator. This product can be used to rehydrate your curls in between washes. You can spray on dry hair just to make your hair feel supple, and you can also use it as a leave-in. So I'm using it today as a leave-in and a barrier in between the styling product that I'm going to be used to achieve my style. I am then going in with my detangling brush, making sure that my hair is fully detangled before applying that product. I am now going in with the curl defining styling souffle. This souffle has a consistency, it's like a gel consistency, but it also gives the vibe of like a custard. It's recommended to put on soaking wet hair and to only use a dime size amount at a time. So I'm going in with a small amount and I'm going to build up as I go. Listen, like I said, I am very heavy-handed with my product, so I'm going to see how this goes on my hair. So I'm taking a little bit more of that product and I'm just raking it in, making sure that all of my strands are covered. After applying the recommended small amount, it was at this moment where I realized I need more. I know. I hope I don't regret this, but I just felt like my hair needed more product. I have very dense and heavy hair, so I wanted the product to sink in and give me the definition that I hope to gain from this product. So this is what my hair is looking like after applying the product. This is the texture and the definition on my hair. I am now going to move on the other sections of my hair, repeating that same process, making sure that my hair is heavily saturated. The Curlsmith Moisture recipe is made with hand-picked products. It is a cruelty-free with no sulfates, no silicone, and 100% vegan. So we love all of that good stuff for our hair. So I'm down to the last sections of my hair and repeating that process, adding a generous amount of product to my hair because I am styling my hair in a wash and go, and my wash and goes just require a lot of product. So this is what my hair is looking like. I did notice that the product did leave somewhat of a buildup, so I'm just hoping that as my hair dries, that buildup will kind of melt into my strands and then go away. So this is what my hair is looking like after letting it air dry for most of the day. My hair is not dry at all. It's about 85 to 90% dry. So now I am separating my hair and I'm going in with my hair dryer on low to medium heat, using that nozzle and concentrating on my roots to get all of my roots dry, and just using this as an opportunity to stretch my curls as well. This is the process I go through every time I style my hair in a wash and go, to stretch my curls and to prevent some of that shrinkage. Now that my hair has been fully dried, this is the texture. This is what it is looking like. The souffle definitely gave my hair a soft, bouncy hold as promised, and it is fluffy. That is the definition of my hair. So yeah, it's definitely giving me big hair vibes. Alright guys, these are the final results. What do you think? What do you think? Comment down below letting me know what you think. Couple of things about the products. I think I may have been a little heavy-handed because I just am, and I can't resist. So as a result of me being a little heavy-handed, I did get some fallout and some residue. I think that came from the souffle. My hair drying time did not increase. It was about the same. I always use a hair dryer or diffuser to my roots because my roots just takes too long to dry. So that process was the same. My curl definition is definitely popping. It's definitely popping. My hair feels more fuller and thicker, more so if I was using more of a cream only styler. But yeah, overall I loved the results. They look good. I just don't know how long I'll wear this because I use so much of that souffle. I'm gonna get a lot of that residue on my hands if I do like put my hands in my hair or anything like that. It just, the transfer of the product will probably be too much. Because of the residue, I probably won't wear it that long. I normally get like a 7-day out of my wash and go. I'm thinking this might be a 3 or 5 day. But overall, the product I love. The consistency and the smell was delicious. I loved especially the conditioning wash. I think that's my favorite out of all of the products. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time,